Good morning, dear students. This is class 6 computer. Today I will give you revision of chapter 1 and 3. These two chapters are in your syllabus, so we will revise these two chapters. First of all, we will revise the fill in the blanks. Dash is the fastest computer in the world. You all know that. Which is the fastest computer? Supercomputer. Next, dash are widely used in homes. Which computers we can use in home? Microcomputer. Next, dash was the first type of programming language. Which is the first type of programming language? Machine language. Machine language was the first type of programming language. Now number 4. Computer language can be divided into two categories. Which two categories? Low level language and high level language. There are two types of, again, low level language is also of two types. Which two types? Machine language and assembly language. Next, dash are used in industries for a specific task. Which computer we can use in industries? Mini computers. Next, dash have brought a revolution in our life. Which computers have brought a revolution? Personal computers. Next, machine language uses binary digits. And which are the binary digits? 0 and 1 for giving instructions. In machine language we were using binary language that was written in the form of 0 and 1. Now next, assembly language, also known as, second name of assembly language is symbolic programming language. Now next one, any language that is independent of the machine is known as high level language. High level language is not dependent on machine. It is machine independent. Now some more fill-ups. Tables are used to display data in which form? Tabular form. Next, to insert the text in a table, simply place the cursor and dash on the desired dash and start typing. So if you want to insert the text in a table, we will simply place the cursor and we will click on the desired cell. Desired cell means in which cell you want to type, in which cell you want to write. You can see here the words which I filled, that is in the red color and also underlined. Next, to move the table within the document, click and drag dash at the top left corner of the table. At the top left corner of the table, what is there? Yes, table move handle. With the help of table move handle, we can move the table within the document. Next, to select a column, position the cursor just above the column until it becomes a dash. So, for how much time we have to keep the cursor above the column? Till that time it becomes a black arrow. A table can be made dash by giving borders and shading with a combination of dash. So a table can be made. What we can do by giving borders and shading? Yes, we can make our table presentable. And borders and shading we can give by using the colors. Yes, so a table can be made Present table by giving borders and shading with a combination of colors. In this way your table become present table. Now we will discuss some true false. A table cannot be edited after being created. Is this true or false? It is false, because a table can be created even after you have already created. So after that also you can edit it. Table button is present on the insert tab of the ribbon. True or false? It is true. Table button is present on the insert tab. The mistakes in a table can be erased by dragging the mouse over the area to be deleted using the eraser button. Yes, it is also true. To delete any mistake we are using eraser button. To move from one cell to the right in a row, press the shift key. Is this true? No, it is not true. It is false. Because if you want to move one cell to the right in a row, we have to press tab key, not shift key. Two or more rows cannot be selected in a table. Is this true? No, it is also false. We can select 2 rows or more than 2 rows also. Data can be stored in a descending order only. Is this true? No, it is false. Data can be stored in ascending order, in descending order, both. Some more true false. Personal computers are difficult to use. Is this difficult to use? You are using in your school, no? So it is true? No, it is false. Supercomputers are the fastest computer in the world. Is this true? Yes, you all know that supercomputers are the fastest computer in the world. Assembly language is also known as symbolic programming language. Yes, this is true, because the another name of assembly language is symbolic programming language. The special language used to communicate with computer is known as computer language. It is also true, because what is computer language? It is the special type of language which we can use to communicate with computer. High level language is machine dependent? No, this is false. High level language is machine independent. BASIC and Fortran are called high level programming language. Yes, these two are high level programming languages. So it is true. Now we will discuss some full forms. First of all, what is the full form of BASIC? Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Remember that the first letter of all these words should be capital. Fortran. Fortran. What is the full form? Formula Translation. ALGOL. What is the full form of ALGOL? Algorithmic Language. HLL. HLL means High Level Language. Now next we will discuss single choice question. Single choice question means so many options are given. Among those options, only one answer is correct answer. Okay, that correct answer only you have to choose. First question. It is the part of a table. Rows, columns, cells, all of these. Yes, all of these. Because rows, columns, cells, these all are the part of table. Correct answer is colored in red color. You can see here. I choose these all in the red color. A table can be sorted in ascending order, in descending order, in ascending and descending order both. Yes, just now I discussed, no? So, table can be sorted in ascending and descending order both. To move from one cell to the right in a row, we will press tab key, shift key or enter key. Yes, this is the answer, tab key. it was the first type of programming language. Which was the first type of programming language? Yes, machine language, not assembly language, not symbolic programming language. Next is it is the fastest computer in the world. Which is the fastest computer in the world? Personal computer, mainframe computer, or supercomputer? Supercomputer. Yes, correct answer is supercomputer. These are widely used in homes and offices. Which are widely used in homes and offices? Personal computer. Yes, personal computer, not the supercomputer or mini computer. In homes and offices, we are using personal computer. Now, next I will discuss with you the multiple choice questions. Means there are so many choices are given, but the correct answer will be two answer. Means more than one answer will be correct. If two answers are correct, suppose I have given here in each questions three options I was given, and in these three options, two options are correct. So, and listen to me carefully, because you should know what is the difference between a single choice and multiple choice. In single choice question, only one option is correct answer, and in multiple choice question, two options are correct answers. Okay, so you have to choose those both correct answers. Okay, if suppose that this question is of 2 marks, so if you will choose only one correct option, then you will score only 1 marks. If you will choose both correct answers, you will score 2 marks. Understood it? So in these type of questions, there will be two correct answers, and you have to choose those both correct answers. Okay, for example, you can insert a table. Which are the options? There are total three options given. First option, by using insert table button. Second option, by using table menu. Third option, by using home tab. Okay, so in these three options, two options are correct. Which are those two options? First is by using insert table button, and second one by using table menu. So these both you have to choose, only then you will score the full marks. Okay, otherwise what will be the weightage of that question? You will score just half of that weightage if you will choose only one option. So in multiple choice question, you have to choose all the correct answers. Next question, you can use a table. What are the uses of table? First option is given to organize the information, second to create merged document, and third to display the data in tabular form. Yes, here also there are two correct options: to organize the information, and second correct option is to display the data in tabular form. So in such type of question, both correct answers you have to choose. Okay, understood it? Next question, which of the following are not a high level language? Options are given: basic, assembly language, machine language. Here there are two correct answers. Which are not the high level language? Assembly language is not the high level language, and second option, machine language is also not the high level language. So here also there are two correct answers. Both you have to select. Next question, there are two types of low level languages: machine language, assembly language, and fourth generation language. Which are the two types of low level language? Yes, machine language, and next one is assembly language. These two are correct answers. So in such type of multiple choice question, you have to choose both those correct answers, only then you will score the full marks. Remember that. Okay, So these were the questions discussed with you for the test from the point of view of your test, but questions can come from inside the chapter also. Don't dependent upon only these questions can come from inside the chapters also, and it will come. So be prepared, be ready from chapter 1 and chapter 3. Read thoroughly, and any type of question, any from anywhere from the chapter, the questions can come, and read carefully the question and then give the answers. Okay. Okay, we will meet in the next class and attempt the mock test which I am giving you, and we will meet in the next class. So till that time, have a great day. Thank you.